Oh, okay.
I'm sorry, but you're going to tell your dad. Why the circle around you? Not in the clear left? No. They're going to go away with me. You want us to go down there?
Next on the highway. And I've been finding rows and rows of more, so I'll never see him get this big, but no, somebody will. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm up here probably. Walk down some lake trout. Oh, and the lake trout will take over.
We've tracked by him.
Maybe if, you know, they'd already moved on and it came up with
Whatever.
They're just passing out that this is a pearl and it's a bacteria. And it's like a seed pod to the bacteria. And the bacteria are actually inside the tree. It's probably going to kill this tree eventually.
Oh yeah.
You're talking about the different kinds of pines here.
Yeah, that's not in Norway.
That's not an orange.
No.
Is it a white pine?
It might be. It might be.
She says she sees in Norway.
I think so because I planted some like
Oh,
that.
okay.
When they're little, they're
What do you think, girl?
corn and beans. How about that for the summer? This is unusual year though, that the water's flowing this much.
Oh yeah.
Two garages underneath and another separate. The top is pink marble that comes from near the St. Cloud area.
Oh.
And the reason they have the cap on it is so the water doesn't get down into the cracks and break up the bridge. And this was, what did they say, 1928, right?
Yeah.
This was a wooden bridge. Snively built he had a farm up on near Hawk Ridge, which is, oh yeah. You know, he was a pretty decent politician.
I didn't even know this.
This is one of the better coffees.
The trails are all back in here now. I didn't walk them, so I don't know where they're going. You're at your own risk if you walk out.
Well, there's a need out. We have to have a pass here. We don't have a pass. Okay.
Keep paying.
We could have used something that was that beaver dam?
Strike point is tonight. Do you remember? Is it 7? Yeah, I couldn't remember if it's 7.
That's the kind of bike.
Oh, yeah.
Well, they can have as many boards, but they
You take a lot of pictures, don't you?
Yeah, well, yeah, and I throw away a lot of pictures too.
That's what I do.
they'd almost need to be on one side or the other.